Record level water pumping in Kaleshwaram, a marvelous achievement by MEIL. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project KLIP created a record by lifting more than 25 TMCs of water from Godavari River to Mid-Maneru Reservoir in less time compared to the world's popular Handri Niva, Colorado and Great Man-Made River projects. Once thought of as an impossible task has now become a visual reality. An effort is made as in Telangana, where the river water is lifted to 300 meters above the sea level. This electromechanical engineering effort has already got worldwide recognition. In the history of Indian irrigation sector, the projects of this size took decades to complete, and some of them have not yet reached their full potential. With much more complex, MEIL could complete Kaleshwaram project within 3 years of its initiation with a lifting capacity of 2 TMCs of water per day. All the credit for this engineering marvel goes to Megha Engineering Infrastructure Limited. It is an enormous effort, be it in establishing a sophisticated electromechanical system or in completing the complex underground technical and electrical works within 3 years. Technically, Kaleshwaram project was inaugurated on June 21, 2019 by 3 chief ministers of Telangana, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. All the critical works of the project have been completed, enabling to lift nearly 25 TMCs of water within a short period. The water has now reached Mid-Maneru Reservoir located near Sirsilla district, that is almost 300 meters above from the sea level. KLIP has a unique engineering system. The pumping capacity of 2 TMCs of water per day, storing the water in an intermittent reservoir and again lifting water from those reservoirs are some of the critical features of this mega project. Even though Handri Niva project's capacity is 40 TMC, but it could never lift more than 20 TMC in a year. Kaleshwaram project could pump 160 TMCs of water from Godavari River. It has proven its mettle by lifting and pumping 25 TMCs of water within a short time in the experimental stage itself. MEIL has taken up all the critical works of this project, including construction of underground pump house and establishing electrical distribution system. Medigadda Lakshmi, Annaram Saraswati, Sundilla Parvati, Lakshmipuram underground Gayatri pump houses are very critical in Link 1 and Link 2 for operationalizing this project. All these pump houses have been now brought into utilization successfully without any technical glitches. Lakshmi Pump House has got utmost importance as it could lift 24.062 TMCs of water during the period between 5th July to 6th December 2019 in just 3,157 pumping hours. Utilization of all the 11 pumps in this period is another hallmark achievement. It has been operationalized to its full potential since 11th November 2019. Gayatri Pump House is the most critical one among all the pump houses as it is an underground pump house constructed 430 feet below the ground. For the first time in the world, 7 machines, each with a capacity of 139 megawatts, established in this pump house. The efforts of MEIL and BHEL are much laudable in establishing such huge pumping units in underground. These 7 units have worked for 2,602 hours so far and enabled reaching of 29.70 TMCs of water towards the Mid-Maneru Reservoir. Thus, Godavari water bringing a new life to the entire area. The mega effort of MEIL in lifting water to such a height and diverting the flow of Godavari River is an extraordinary phenomenon. It has rewritten the age-old idiom in Telugu, Neeru Pallamerugu, with the determination of Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and the meticulous execution of the Kaleshwaram project by MEIL. Godavari River has now taken a new direction, flowing 175 kilometers in transit to reach the upper reaches against the gravity. MEIL